What if I told you there is a way businesses make smart decisions, cut costs, boost profiles, all without guessing? That secret is management accounting. In this masterclass, I will walk you through everything from what it is, how it works, real world examples, tool used, career opportunities, and how it differs from financial accounting. Whether you are a student, a business owner, or an aspiring accountant, this video will transform the way you see numbers. So grab your notebook and let's begin. So, what is management accounting? Management accounting is the process of preparing management reports and accounts that provide accurate and timely financial and statistical information to managers for decision making. While financial accounting is for external users like investors, management accounting is for internal users, the people running the business. Key focuses: cost control, budgeting, performance measurement, strategic planning, and decision support. So objectives of management accounting. The main objective of management accountings are as follows. First of all, we talk about planning, like forecasting for future trends, controlling for monitoring performance, decision making, choosing the best course of action, organizing or coordinating departments, motivating, providing goals and benchmarks, communicating, sharing information for alignment, and measuring performance, comparing actual versus planned. For example, our retail company may use management accounting to decide whether to close a loss-making store or reduce inventory. So functions and scope of management accounting. We have the following functions like costing. Costing is to analyze production cost per unit. Budgeting. Budgeting is to plan future financial goals. Forecasting. Forecasting is to predict market behavior. Performance evaluation. Performance evaluation is to monitor KPIs, key performance indicators. And investment appraisal, that should we launch a new product or not. Decision support is to data-driven insights. Real life use. Amazon uses management accounting to optimize supply chain cost by tracking cost per delivery. So tools and techniques used. So in management accounting, we use budgeting and variance analysis, standard costing, marginal costing, break-even analysis, cost volume profit analysis, activity-based costing, balanced scorecard, ratio analysis, and forecasting models. For example, a restaurant might use break-even analysis to determine the minimum number of meals to sell daily. So, management versus financial accounting. Let's have a comparison here. So, financial accounting is for external users like investors or tax department persons, while management accounting is for internal users like for managers. Financial accountings focus on the past data, while management accountings focus on the future-oriented based data or future-oriented data. So, financial accounting's report format is according to the standard of GAAP or IFRS, while management accounting is flexible and customized. Financial accounting's frequency is periodic, like quarterly or yearly, while management accounting's frequency is as needed, like daily or weekly, whatever you need. So, financial accounting is highly regulated, while management accounting is not regulated at all. Financial accounting is quantitative by nature, while management accounting is both, like it's of quantitative and qualitative nature. So, importance in business. Management accounting ensures cost efficiency, helps in performance measurement, aids in setting competitive pricing, enhances internal control, encourages data-driven decisions, and support business growth. Think of it as the brain behind the business decisions. Where we use management accounting in real world? So we use management accounting in like airlines to optimize flight routes based on profitability. And we also use management accounting in e-commerce to identify profitable customer segments. And we use management accounting in manufacturing to determine most cost-effective production method. We also use management accounting in retail shops for the inventory control and seasonal forecasting. And we also use management accounting in startups to decide which product or service to scale or drop. Let's have a case study here. So Tokyo's lean manufacturing in Japan, Tokyo, uses management accounting tools such as activity-based costing, which is also being called as ABC, and just-in-time inventory style systems to manage cost, reduce waste, and improve production efficiency. So what happened? Toyota mapped all production activities, assigned cost accurately using ABC method, and used real-time dashboards for decision making. The results: massive saving, increased efficiency, and industry-leading performance. So lesson we got here is that management accounting doesn't just save money, it drives innovation. Let's talk some myths about management accounting. Myth number 1, it's only about cost cutting. No. Truth is, it's also about maximizing value, strategic planning, and performance improvement. So myth number 2, it's only useful for accountants. No. The truth is, marketing heads, production managers, CEOs, and even HR use its insight. Myth number 3, it's backward looking. Not at all. Truth is, unlike financial accounting, it's focused on forecasting and future planning. Fun fact, the first known form of management accounting was used in ancient Egypt, where pharaohs tracked grain and labor cost for pyramid construction. Companies that use management accounting tools report up to 25% high profitability, according to CIMA research, and the global demand for management accountants is expected to grow by 16% by 2030. Imagine your home is a business. You track your monthly income, expenses, and plan for next month: groceries, bills, savings. You cut down on electricity to reduce cost. That's management accounting in action. You are making internal decisions based on data to stay within budget and achieve goals. Okay, so time here for a quick quiz. So which of the following is not a tool of management accounting? Budgeting, variance analysis, general ledger, CVP analysis? So pause and think. So the answer is general ledger. Okay, so now tell me, management accounting is mandatory under law like financial accounting. It's true or false? So it's false. Okay, so next is break-even point is the level at which cost increased by revenue, cost decreased by revenue, costs are equal to revenue. So the answer is cost equals to revenue. Okay, so management accounting is more than just numbers. It's about strategy, insight, and action. From planning to control, from budgeting to profit maximization. Every smart decision starts with it. Now that you have got a complete understanding, apply this knowledge in your studies, your business, or your career path. And don't forget to subscribe for more expert level content on accounting, business, finance, and many more. So that's all for today's video. If you got any type of confusion or have any question, don't forget to comment, and don't even hesitate to comment. I will surely reply to you. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and happy learning.